expect naman namin yan every time you're playing a team like Vinilde na pag you have the lead na hindi sila susuko. So just sabi ko sa kanya, we have to slow down a little bit, be more composed, especially during the end game. And good thing yung free throws namin na shoot namin today. So yun, malaking bagay.
Ayun yung before your first game in the season, anong masabi mo lang sa laro mo against Kanaliwag and school?
Ah, pangit yata yung first half ko eh. I was just trying to help my team whatever the team needs, defense, rebounds. And then eventually, in the second half, din na lang pumasok yung mga tira ko eh. At yun lang naman yung matutulong ko sa team ko na yung kailangan ng team, bibigay ko. To win us games.
And si Brian pala, joint scorer with Miller, 16 points. So, ano yung nag-work sa'yo for this game?
Siguro sinasabihan lang ako ni Coach Shears na dandahanin ko lang. And masyado ako minsan na gigilin. Siguro yung depensa ko, doon lang lagi ako nag-i-stick. And yung offense ko naman, follow lang naman.